Benda has done it again. They've surprised us with their new cruiser, and it's got a V4 engine. Benda has already shown us two incredible new engines in 2021 with 501,200 cubic centimeters at the Chongqing Trade Fair. But the special thing about them is that they are V4 engines. And recently, Benda installed the 500 and the Benda Dark Flag 500, which is an amazing addition to their lineup. Just a few days ago, Benda unveiled the new Dark Flag 950 in Chongqing. And it's got, you guessed it, a V4 and 102 horsepower. The Dark Flag line is back, and it's stronger than ever. This time we're talking about the V4 in a steel frame, with about 930 cubic centimeters, 85 Newton meters, and 102 horsepower. The engine is a powerhouse, and it's clear that it's not based on the 500 V4. Instead, it's a 1200 V4 shown in 2021, with 66 millimeters of stroke and 76 millimeters of bore. Get ready to feel the rush? So please stay tuned, guys. The Benda Dark Flag 950 V4 is an absolute beast in terms of engine power, but what really gets your heart racing is its impressively low weight. The bobber is said to weigh only 232 kilos, which is 15 kilos less than the 500 Dark Flag, and that's despite a steel frame and swing arm on the 950. It's likely that 90% of the weight from the 16-liter tank and the battery are still missing, which would mean around 250 kilos in it. That's a realistic value. The Benda Dark Flag 950 V4 boasts impressive components and electronic features. Its telescopic forks with radial brake calipers from Brembo, ABS, TFT with connectivity, traction control, and cruise control are a powerful combination, even for models from China that typically excel in these areas. I'm so excited to find out if the Benda Dark Flag 950 V4 is coming to Europe. Benda is currently making waves in Europe via individual national importers. And in August 2024, it was announced that Benda is setting up a central sales organization in Europe, which is great news for fans of their products. Currently, the LFC 700, the Dark Flag 500, and the V2 models Chinchilla and Napoleon Bob are occasionally available in Europe. The new Dark Flag 950, which is likely to cost well over 10,000 euros, is going to be a game changer. It requires an orderly sales structure because of the expected price, but it'll be worth it though.